Hey guys, you might know that I've come to see Christ and Christianity as two very different things. So I asked myself the question the other day, what is even the dictionary definition of Christian? And so I looked it up and I got this definition. It said, a Christian is a person who professes belief in Jesus Christ or follows the religion that's based on his teachings. And I thought, that is it in a nutshell. Because you see this big, confusing book right here? Well, there's a little bitty part in the middle of it. This is the Gospels, the actual life and teachings of Jesus. And if we are going to be a follower of Jesus, we have to really follow, actually do the things he told us to do in here, like things in the Sermon on the Mount. But Christianity is about believing doctrines about Jesus, most of which Jesus never even said a word about. For example, the doctrine of original sin, the foundation of the Christian religion, Adam and Eve and the Garden of Eden, the talking snake, and because of that, we're all born guilty, unrighteous, and separated from God. So Jesus had to come because of that doctrine. You could not come anywhere close to getting that doctrine if you just go by what Jesus said. And the doctrine of the angry, jealous God, don't make him mad. You get the polar opposite if you just go by what Jesus said. He talked of a heavenly Father that was loving, benevolent, forgiving, and welcomed all of his prodigal children home with open arms. And if we just read this little part right here, letting Jesus stand alone without interpreting him through this part and without Paul saying, hey, this is what Jesus really meant to say, just let Jesus stand alone and let him interpret himself, you'd probably get the idea that he willingly laid down his life because he was standing up against the system run by wealthy, powerful, priestly elites who were controlling the minds and lives of the people from cradle to grave, and Jesus was setting them free and threatening the system.